What's up guys, it's Grishma and welcome to my channel and welcome from this beautiful city of Varkala which is in Kerala. And ये वीडियो में मैं यहाँ का stay that is Oceano को दिखाऊंगी and show you the rooms, यहाँ के prices plus the view which is amazing because ये property beach के exactly सामने है. And यहाँ का खास बात है this Bali style swing जो यहाँ पे लगाया है जहाँ पे आप बहुत सारे photos निकाल सकते हो. Also मैंने यहाँ केरला के और भी सारे videos बनाए हुए हैं. I'll make sure to link that in the description down below so that you can check those videos out as well. So now let's start this video and जाते हैं ओशनो का टूर लेने.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken.
So what you see behind me is the ocean. ये cliff पे located है and it is located on the south cliff of Varkala. अब Varkala दो cliffs में divided है, the north and the south. The north cliff has a lot of places and lot of food eateries and all. The south on the other hand is like quiet and यहाँ पे हमारा stay है. North cliff से देखा जाए तो only 2 kilometers की दूरी पे ही है. So if you have a car or if you have a scooty or vehicle, then you can easily transport. But this is like the quieter, shanter type of Varkala that if you want to experience, you can come here.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Entrance area of Oceano. It's a small little street, kind of like a village because this is located on the south cliff. And as you can see, this is a pretty entrance. How pretty it is. This is a walking entrance. Of course, they do have parking also inside, but you can also enter to this, which is like so pretty.
I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanted to give up 'cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson.
So this is the sea view that you can see behind me. That is from my room. It's such a lovely room and it is so spacious and at a very affordable price, which was amazing. Like for 3,000 this entire room is what you will get plus the sea view, which is great. And booking करने के लिए you can either call them or you can like DM them on Instagram. Instagram पे they are quite active. They share you all the photos of the different types of rooms that are over here, and उसके through you can choose a room and select the one that suits your preference. And ये room का फ़ायदा ये है कि you can आराम से fit 3 to 4 people in this room because of the extra space that is at the entry. वहाँ पे एक छोटा सा bed रखा है where also people can sit, and नीचे mattress लेके also where people could sit. So 4 people आराम से could sleep on this and 2 on this of course. And it's like a very spacious to like move around. बहुत ही clean भी है, has lovely interiors which I enjoyed a lot, and the view is amazing. You can just wake up from the bed and see this beautiful ocean right in front of you, and it will just make your day for sure. I know it did mine, and it is so beautiful, and you have to come here and experience this for sure. So this room also opens to this common area right over here. So that's my room, and this is the common area where you can also chill. This is actually the entrance of the hotel. दोनों side का view है that you can experience while coming and staying at this particular room.
Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Types of rooms over here: the wooden loft, the boho vibes, and the room that I am staying at. And ऐसा मैंने यहाँ से पूछा people working here कि उनका सबसे favorite and most beautiful room कौन सा है. So according to them it's boho vibes, and all the rooms have the ocean view, which is amazing. So Oceano also has a direct access to the बीच जैसे मैंने बताया कि ये क्लिफ पे लोकेटेड है, बट फ्रॉम द स्टेयर्स दैट दे हैव यू कैन एक्चुअली गो डाउन टू द बीच एंड इट्स अ वेरी प्राइवेट नाइस काइंड ऑफ बीच. सो वी चेक्ड इन येस्टरडे एंड दिस इज द नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग. सो आई एम शोइंग यू द प्रॉपर्टी इन द मॉर्निंग बिकॉज तभी सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा दिखता है. बट आई वाज सेइंग कि क्लिफ से नीचे जाके यू कैन गो टू द बीच एंड येस्टरडे इवनिंग वी वेंट टू द बीच एंड सॉ द मोस्ट अमेजिंग सनसेट बाय द ओशन. ऐसा मन तो करा तो जस्ट देखते ही रहने का एंड लाइक सोक इन ऑल द गुडनेस अराउंड. बहुत ही अच्छा जगह है एंड द बीच इज ऑल्सो वेरी क्लीन. इट्स अ वाइट सैंड बीच एंड द वेव्स आर लाइक सो ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक इट्स ब्लू वाटर, ब्लू स्काई, वाइट सैंड एंड वेरी क्लीन बीच. ऑल्सो दिस इज लाइक अ प्राइवेट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ बीच. यहाँ पे ओशनो के बाजू में थोड़े बहुत और भी रिसोर्ट्स एंड होटल्स है, तो उनके ही पीपल कुड एक्सेस दिस बीच लाइक नॉर्मली. But if you want to go to the public beach, you can go to the Varkala main beach or Kapil beach, that which is also there. But this is also like a small beach that you can visit for like peace and calm, because you will get all of them over here because it is so picture perfect for sure.
And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side.
They do have restaurant also over here where you can order food like basic food जैसे noodles हुआ या omelette हुआ, pasta हुआ, all those things is also available over here. Plus few drinks options like beer and stuff is also available that you can have here. Room के अंदर भी you can take a room service and eat, or they have a restaurant kind of seating area where you can also.
Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
So this was the tour of Oceano here in the South Cliff of Varkala, which is truly a property that you can come and experience Varkala's peace and beauty. बहुत ही सुंदर सा प्रॉपर्टी है एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो नेक्स्ट टू द ओशन विच मेक्स इट इवन मोर अट्रैक्टिव. क्लीन रूम्स है, डिसेंट रूम है एंड द लिमिटेड रूम्स ऑफ 9 ओनली. सो 9 रूम्स है. सो इफ़ यू डोंट लाइक द क्राउड एंड hustle bustle of a big hotel or a stay, you can come here for that and experience this beauty around, because I am truly impressed with the room, the views and the whole vibe of the place, which is so amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I made other videos from my trip to Kerala. Everything will be linked down below, so make sure to watch it and I'll see you in a new place in a new city. Bye bye.